Dashcam आहे लागलं तुला? हो लागलं. Godverdomme! She's a little... Hey, I would have.
I thought I was on the bumper over there.
Yeah.
Next thing I knew, I'm off.
I would recommend calling a tow truck or something, because if not, you're gonna f that axle, and that's gonna cost you a couple $1,000.
It's already coming.
I mean,
No way my underneath survived.
I mean, it could, as long as you don't rock it back and forth, it should be okay, but you don't want to break that axle. But that sucks.
No, don't do that. Are you serious? Like,
Oh, yeah.
Hey, he's drunk. He's drunk as shit. Yeah, he's drunk or something. Something's wrong.
there's something wrong with him. Someone's calling 911. Hey,
you okay?
We need 911. 275. Oh, there's a cop coming. I don't know what's wrong with this guy. I don't know if he's drunk or if like something happened to him. He just like, I think he's wasted. I think he's drunk.
I think he is.
I think the guy's drunk. He just literally. There's a.
I got the whole video.
You did? Okay.
He almost rear-ended me.
No, I was right behind you.
Scared the shit out of me.
I'm sorry. The guy, there was a guy driving and he like swerved in front of the car in front of me and I backed up because I saw him swerving all over the road, and then next thing you know, he just cut over into like 2 to 3 different lanes and just ran into the wall. right now. It's in an undercover car or whatever.
Hey, bud, thanks how you ain't getting out.
Okay.
It is not legal, so they're going to get into some serious trouble. That's not right to shoot, kill an animal while it's in hibernation. It's sleeping. It's fine, you know, enjoy its weekend. Right. No, it's better. Why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, you know, like, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you, right? That's definitely a little bit better.
What a horrible dad. Come here, son. Let's shoot this.
All right. That's it. Stare at your phone, bro. Stare at your phone. Stare at your phone. Stare at your phone. Yay! You're on film, stupid. You're on. I said stare at your phone, idiot. You're ignorant. Jesus. Hit me. You little prick. You. Hit me. You're on film. Shut up.
Yeah, can I get, what do you want? What do you want? Do what? You're backing into the drive? Oh, I'm just trying to order food. Oh, there's another one. But you're not here when I pulled up. Okay, that's... You're the one being a bitch.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert!
I ain't got no problem with nothing,
Then
man.
watch your motherfucking mouth how you talk to me, dumbass.
I say nothing to you, did I? And you on film, idiot. Well, you gonna be on YouTube, you stupid. Hi, YouTube. Hey, say hi, YouTube. What a fucking moron. I got a phone. I can stare at it while I'm driving. I'm a genius. Yo! You're a fucking genius, baby. I don't think I've ever met anybody as smart as you.
Why are you so angry? Huh? Did I affect you? Why are you so angry? Did I affect you? Come on. Come on. Come talk to me. You were sitting still, right?
Not to split lanes. It's against the law.
You were sitting still, right? How could you hit me if you were sitting still? How could you hit me? How could you hit me? Come talk to me. Oh, you're gonna get my license plate.
Oh, so you're cowardly.
4343F is my license plate. 43.
What's your name?
4343F. Doesn't matter what my last name is. You can get it off. You can get it off my registration.
So you're being unsafe.
Dude, I went by you. I didn't, and it didn't affect you at all, did it?
All right, you're gonna get hit by a car.
You were sitting still. You were sitting still.
It's against the law.
You were sitting still. Why are you so mad?
Because you're being unsafe.
You want to see unsafe? I'll show you unsafe. Ready?
Hello?
Your passenger. Hi, where are you? I'm across from Home Goods.
One second.
Hello? Hello? I am across from Home Goods. Home Goods? Hello? 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 Hello?